It seems a lot of you liked the black bean brownie recipe and thought the parchment paper hack was really cool, but went too fast. So I'm gonna go a little slower this time and show you that. So here's the parchment paper hack. I didn't know it was gonna be such a big thing. Who knew? Let's prepare our pan. Spray with oil to help the parchment stay in place. And what I like to do is crinkle it up so it'll be easier to manage. Fold it that way. And then fold it again. And then turn the pan over. Place this part in the center and kind of eyeball it, and then kind of figure out where it's going to be or where to cut. And up there. The last time I cut the corner out, but I discovered this way of doing it. It's even better. This needs to be cut through just a tiny bit more down. And then it actually fits in perfectly, even better than the last time. It's really nice. That's another way to do it. Just gonna do a little spritz here. This is actually just water. Just helps keep it in place. And I love how doing it like this, they just flap over like that, and it makes for a perfectly seamless parchment paper insert for baking. Now let's get the batter into the pan. The water spritz actually works better than the spritz of oil or cooking spray. It's actually staying in place even better.